Okay, this is a how-to for you, Annabelle. Not anybody else who has a kitten. How to take care, how to build, how to make a really sweet, tender kitty. Kitties are a lot like people, you know. Yep. You see, you can't just do what you want with a cat and have it be upset and meowing because it's not gonna trust you. It's gonna run away. Palitos. They're kind of independent creatures. They want to have that freedom to go and come as they please. And you can encourage them to, you want to get their trust. You got to be gentle with that. You got to be gentle. You have to be tender and kind and soft with them, nurturing like this, like I'm petting her with gentleness so that they become docile and sweet. She likes to bite. All kittens do. I do not like to be bit. I have toys for that. I should play with her toys more. That's something good to do with them too, is to play with toys. To have that playtime. They need that, I think, for their mind. It's not my favorite part about kittens. The biting. Just like with people. but like they need that playtime though. They to bite things. Except for people don't need to be doing that as Christmas. They don't need to be biting other people. People need to be nice to each other. You need to be nice. You got that carnal little nature in you. So this is Nolly. I had our other cats when Angel was in the hospital with COVID. I thought he was going to die. So I let them go because I couldn't care for them. And we can't get them back. So, she's our new kitten. We're keeping her. We're our baby girl. Yeah. It's cool. My daughter's got her brother, so sometimes they'll see each other. It'll be special like that. But you have to respect cats. You gotta give them their space. You can't force them to be held all the time if they don't want to be held. They're not gonna want to come back to you. They're gonna always be away from you. You have to develop that trust. Pay attention to what, if they don't like something, don't do it. Try to be gentle and loving and thoughtful when handling them. But I don't know why she's weird though. Like, she meows all the time, and I don't even know why. Maybe you don't like tummy rubs. Well, you gotta get used to it. Maybe sometimes I do things she doesn't like, but I'm trying to get her used to tummy rubs. You don't like that? You really don't like tummy rubs? No, you gotta be a tummy rubs girl. She might not be a tummy rubs girl. But try to treat them with gentleness and respect so they'll come back to you. Right now she wasn't like that. So She was like, you're petting my tummy. I don't like that. So she ran away. You just like learn them individually, what they like, what they don't like. They have their own personality, each one of them. So unique. God is amazing. How you can make everything so unique. What kind of kitty are you? Oh my gosh, look at her. I know, you're such a baby. Yes, doesn't she have an adorable little meow? She does. She has such a beautiful voice. She's so vocal too. She meows all the time. Okay, so love your kitty. Give them respect and space, and yeah, just be gentle and tender with them, and they'll be docile. Bye bye. She's so playful right now. All right, Nolly.